I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message.
Although it's the weekend, I've decided to make a video for you guys. Quant is still in the target down to about $100, $105. However, we're doing some very key, good first steps in reclaiming that wick over here. So when we lost 126, it pretty much opened these fib levels over here, because this is the one fib level we're waiting for this to be lost. If it's not lost and we push through this red box over here, so if we did not lose this and we just reclaim that red box, I would have flipped it green and we're actually heading up higher towards $150. But of course we lost this green area support and $126, and so you validate these targets down here all the way down to $100. Well, we were explaining on the channel over the last 2-3 weeks that you can come down to this gold box and technically all the way down to 100, and it doesn't mean anything. So it doesn't mean that we are 100% going to $77 to $81. It doesn't mean that we're 100% going to $45 to $50. Although there would be specific targets suggesting so. Just as if we lose $100 as support on the daily or the weekly, you can see that we would have targets lower at about $44 to $50. And equally, we have this key area of support over here that could play a bounce, simply because it's our range low at $83 with a wick down here at 77. So yeah, instead of me saying 81 to 77 to 81, 77 to 83, we want to stay above this key area of support here. Again, there's another level here, so it's a bit annoying how there's so many levels that we have to look at, but let's look at the key areas. So this was my range low over here, $83, and we have a little wick below, some resistance. So although if you lose 100, you have the target all the way down to here, this could be an area for potential bounce. Now, none of this is the case at the moment, right? We have validated a target to 100. We're not there yet, but it seems as since bouncing off this 1272, and if you remember me making the video there, I would say it'd be lovely if we could now reclaim $126. And we are currently sitting at 129 with a pump that has met the 20 EMA already today at $131. So we would now need to push through these moving averages, and that's why I've drawn this red box in the last week, because we want to see price pushing through the moving averages as well as flipping this golden pocket between a 0.5 and a 618 over here. So this area, well, yeah, we can see there's a resistance here, so I'm going to make it bigger, push through 136, and we are good for continuation upwards towards 150. However, at the moment, guys, we haven't reclaimed 131 and invalidated the descending triangle, the head and shoulders pattern down to about $105. We have reclaimed the one fib level. This is going to give us a chance to pump towards the golden pocket over here, and we're doing that. Can you see it's given us this opportunity? It has pumped up, but what's not allowing us to get up there are the moving averages. So if I see today and tomorrow further closes below this moving average over here, can you see right now we've got a wick rejecting it? This is not a good sign, guys, especially if in 14 hours time we close like this. So don't get too confident right now of what this candle is looking like, because again, 14 hours of movement still on this green candle. We could be above the red box, we could be below this red wick. No one simply knows. So for the continuation lower, we have to go and lose 124 again with the daily candle close, and we are continuing towards $115 as the next target, the 1618. However, if we do see the close above 124 and 126, we're trapped as this being your support and this being your resistance, and waiting simply for a break of either way. Now I've prepared you for the break of the low, and of course the break of the high. Break above these moving averages as well as 136 with a daily candle close would be beautiful, with a weekly candle close as well this week. Let's check that out real quick. So yeah, if you remember earlier in the week, we were looking at the weekly time frame as well, and we were saying we're coming down to this key area of support, so we would like that for the weekly candle close. We're holding it, but look, not only have you reclaimed the 55 because you were below, you're reclaiming the 20. This is a beautiful bullish signal on the weekly time frame. So if we can see that follow through, look at this, $128. So if we can even just stay above that wick down here at 126, we've been talking about 126, we can stay above this level. Look at the weekly candle close over here on the left shoulder, resistance, potentially now support. So if this can be flipped into support, this is great to try and continue back up to 150, push through 150. We got 190 as a key level of resistance, and then it's onwards and upwards to $250. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, as we are on the road to 10k. I'm trying to get there as quick as possible. Although the algorithm for YouTube is rubbish, please do leave a comment. It means the world to me, even if it's just emoji or full stop or whatever it is. It just bumps the algorithm, gets these videos out to more like-minded people like us. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to take action on the course, I've made it easy for you guys. Hit the top right corner, there's an information button. It will take you to my Buy Me a Coffee, where you can buy the course or mentorship without contacting me. But if you want to contact me, hit the top right button. There should be a link tree that will take you to a place where you can either click my Instagram or my crypto Twitter, and you can message me on both. So if you can't find it in the top right corner of the information button, it's in the description down below, but I've also pinned it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget, my course is permanently 50% off now. So we've now headed over to the 4-hour time frame and trying to understand this reclaim of $124 and $126. So already on the daily, we were saying these are the levels we need to hold: 124, 126. On the weekly, it was 126 to 128 with this week's weekly candle close. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that when we lost this key area of support here, I can get you some targets. We met the 1618 and close of the bodies. This giving us a little impulse back towards the 1 fib level, and if we can push through this 1 fib level, it gives us an opportunity to head back up to the 0 fib at 129. So at the moment we reclaim 123, it gave us this opportunity to head to 129, and we've seen that it took the opportunity. Now it seems as if it's topped out because of the wick to the top. If we are given a new high, you just extend this to the new high, but at the moment I can see this is the top. And although we were mentioning on the weekly we need to stay above 126 to 128, and on the daily that we must stay above 124, 126, well, in actual fact, on the 4-hour, it's saying quite a similar thing, that we need to stay above 123 and 125. So this $5 range of 123 and 128 needs to be held on the weekly time frame for this weekly candle close. Guys, I'll see you on Monday. I'm going to show you a little clip that's going to make it so easy for you guys to take action on the course. Remember, that's 50% off. I'm going to be making a new ebook that's going to go through strategies that I came up with by myself. I was taught from this person and that person, and just noticed patterns in the market with these strategies and came up with my own strategies, essentially. I'm also going to be going through the terminologies. You don't need any prior knowledge. This ebook will help you with recognizing candlesticks, with chart patterns, the terminologies like that I'm using, and so on and so forth. This will be available in the next few weeks. I'm just currently making it, and a lot of the content is taken from my mentorship and my course. So if you want to take action, I'm going to make a little clip for you right now. You can either take action on the course or the mentorship without getting into contact with me through my Buy Me a Coffee, or simply get into contact me through my link tree that will take you to my Twitter or my Instagram. Thank you guys. Watch that clip now.
So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.